Myself Pallavi Singh Tomar. Before starting a demo class, I want to give my short introduction to you. So, as you know, my name is Pallavi Singh Tomar. I am currently based in Lucknow. Before that, I was in Patnagar, Uttarakhand. Uh, Regarding my qualifications, I did my 10th and 12th from Campus School Patnagar. It was a CBSE board, and in 10th I got 8.8 CGPA, and in 12th I got 78.8%. Then according to that, I did my graduation and post graduation in fisheries science. In graduation I got 7.9 CGPA, whereas in PG I got 8.4 CGPA. Then after that I taught to students of college of fisheries for more than 1.5 year. Then after that I also taught to the student of class 8th and 8th, 9th and 10th. After that I'm currently looking for a great opportunity. So thank you for giving me opportunity to showcase my demo class to you. So let's start today's video or today's demo class. So today my topic is life processes. So firstly the question arises about this topic is what are life processes? So generally life processes are those processes which are required to maintain the life and to sustain the life in the living world. So generally question arises after this, what is living and what is non-living? So living things are those which require the basic life processes generally, like nutrition, breathing, then respiration, transportation and excretion. Whereas non-living things are those things which do not require these basic life processes. So for example, living things are like plant, animal, human beings. These are all the live organisms, or we can say example of live organism. Okay, then next comes the non-living. Examples are like TV, fridge, whatever you see around you which you use by the technology or for your daily purpose, are those are non-living things. Okay, then the next question comes, what are basic life processes? So as I have already given you an example of basic life processes, what are those? Can anyone tell me? Yes, nutrition, then respiration, transportation and excretion. These four things are basic life processes. Now we will write what are basic life processes. Nutrition, okay, nutrition, and then respiration, then transportation and excretion. Okay, whenever the teacher asks or the question comes what are basic life processes, then you have to tell basic life processes are nutrition, respiration, transportation and our excretion. Then our main topic of today will come, what is nutrition? Today I will tell you about the nutrition part. Okay, so what is nutrition? Nutrition generally the process of taking food and the body utilizes it for making the life maintenance is called as nutrition. So whatever you take, either it is food in any form, either in solid form, in liquid form, whatever form you take the food inside your body, and that food is utilized for making the energy is known as nutrition. Okay, आप जो भी खाना आप लेते हैं, खाते हैं, आपकी बॉडी उसे किस लिए यूटिलाइज करती है? फॉर मेकिंग द एनर्जी एंड टू मेंटेन एंड सस्टेन योर लाइफ साइकिल. Okay, then comes the question, what are different modes of nutrition? So different modes are there of nutrition. So you have seen plants also make their food na. That process what called as autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so autotrophic nutrition is, then what are the different types of mode of nutrition? So those are what we can say, autotrophic, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Two main type of nutrition are there generally. One occur in plant and one occur in other animals. Okay, so now we will see what is autotrophic nutrition. Types of nutrition are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. These two are main, what called as main type of nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? First question comes when you talk about different mode of nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition is, what is ऑटो से आप जानते हैं जो खुद से अपना जो फूड है वो प्रिपेयर करते हैं और सिंथेसाइज करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सटर्नल थिंग्स. ओके, so autotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which the plants generally, for example, we take the plants synthesize their own food with the help of external elements just like CO2 and H2O. okay, so क्या होता है, प्लांट क्या करते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस करते हैं. आप सभी जानते हैं व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. नाउ कम्स फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस क्या होती है आपकी, कोई बता सकता है? एनीवन कैन टेल? या राइट, photosynthesis. So plants make their own food with the help of CO2, H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. ठीक है, क्लोरोफिल क्या होता है, एक पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट होता है इन द लीव्स ऑफ प्लांट. सो इन ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन plants make their own food with the help of CO2, H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Very good. So chlorophyll generally present in the leaves of the plant. Okay, generally it is a pigment what called as chlorophyll. Okay, it is of green color. ठीक है, तो जनरली क्या होता है आपके ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन में कि प्लांट आपका फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ CO2, H2O and sunlight and in presence of chlorophyll also. Okay, then क्या फॉर्म होता है फोटोसिंथेसिस में? सो जनरली क्या फॉर्म होता है, स्टार्च. ओके, सो जनरली ग्लूकोज फॉर्म होता है हमारा एंड जो स्टोर होता है लीव्स में वो एज अ स्टार्च स्टोर होता है. ठीक है, फूड क्या होता है, स्टार्च के फॉर्म में आपका रेगुलेट होता है या ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है इन होल पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. और रिलीज क्या होता है आपका, जनरली O2 जो होता है वो रिलीज हो जाता है. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस की सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है आपकी इक्वेशन, 6CO2 plus 6H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll forms C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2. सो अगर आपको कहीं भी पूछते हैं कि व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस, देन यू हैव टू डिफाइन इट एंड ऑल्सो गिव दिस main equation. Okay, without this equation your question will not get a full marks. Okay, so next we will come to the heterotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition generally? So heterotrophic nutrition is the process in which the organism does not make their own food. So क्या है, जैसे कि आप अपना एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, क्या आप अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं, मीन्स कि आप किसी ना किसी चीज़ पे डिपेंडेंट है फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ योर फूड. ओके, यू डोंट सिंथेसाइज योर ओन फूड इनसाइड योर बॉडी और inside your body, so you are dependent on the others to get the food. So generally in human beings, fungi, algae, these are the examples in which, not algae, animals and fungi are the examples and human beings are the examples which do not synthesize their own food inside their body and they depend on others for the food. Okay. So generally heterotrophic nutrition भी काफ़ी टाइप के होते हैं. It can be of saprophytic nutrition, then comes the holozoic nutrition, which are generally occurs in the human beings and animals. Holozoic nutrition अभी हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. Saprophytic nutrition. What is saprophytic nutrition? So saprophytic nutrition is the nutrition which generally the organisms get from dead and decaying material or dead and decaying एनिमल, प्लांट, एनीथिंग विच इज डेड एंड डिकेइंग. मतलब कि वो डेड हो चुका है यानी कि खत्म हो चुका है और धीरे धीरे वो सड़ रहा है. उस चीज पे अगर कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म फीड करता है या अपना न्यूट्रिशन गेन करता है, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. Okay. Examples are, what are examples? Can anyone tell? You have studied in lower classes. So yes, saprophytic nutrition generally occurs in fungi, okay, yeast, mushroom. These are the examples for saprophytic nutrition. Then comes the what? Parasitic nutrition. So parasitic nutrition, what is parasitic nutrition? Anyone can tell me what is parasitic? Yes, parasitic means the organism depend on other living organism for their nutrition. So कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो अदर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म पे डिपेंडेंट है अपने न्यूट्रिशन के लिए और उसे बिना मारे, तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन. जैसे कि आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा रेनी सीजन में क्या होता है, लीचेस आपको कई बार लग जाती हैं. लीचेस, दैट स्मॉल thread like animal which generally stick on your leg, hand, whatever reason, in the rainy season mainly, and it sucks the blood from your body. So what it taking itself is a nutrition. So उसको क्या मिल रहा है आपकी बॉडी से? ब्लड के फॉर्म में न्यूट्रिशन मिल रहा है. ठीक है. सो वही ब्लड जब आपका उसकी बॉडी में पहुंचेगा तो वो एज अ न्यूट्रिशन उसकी बॉडी में काम करेगा, जबकि आपको क्या होगा? उसे हार्म नहीं होगा क्योंकि बहुत थोड़ा सा ब्लड वो कंज्यूम कर रहा है आपकी बॉडी से. स्टिल it is getting a nutrition. So this is what called as parasitic nutrition. Also sometimes you have seen the animals having the ticks, you know, small organisms which generally you have seen on the cats and dogs. Those are also a parasitic nutrition. Those are also taking the parasitic nutrition from that animal. ठीक है. एक host होता है. ओके. इन पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन जनरली एक होस्ट होता है और जो आपका एनिमल है, दैट पैरासिटिक एनिमल, it is taking the nutrition from that host. Okay, then this nutrition is what called as parasitic nutrition. Okay. Then comes the holozoic nutrition. What is holozoic nutrition? So generally in animals and human being, you have seen the digestive system of human being in your lower classes. Okay. What it is, it has a alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is there. Okay. So एलिमेंट्री कैनाल क्या होती है? आपकी एक होलो पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होती है ना. जैसे आपका माउथ से लेकर एनस तक एक पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होता है. सेम इन द एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, लाइक कैट, डॉग्स, काउस, they are also having the same digestive system, holozoic digestive system, or you can say a hollow tube like structure. Okay. So the food whatever is taken in that hollow tube is digested in the different organs or the different parts of the alimentary canal, and that type of nutrition what called as holozoic nutrition. Okay. Then after that, mode of nutrition in human beings. So mode of nutrition in human beings, what I already told you is holozoic nutrition. Generally holozoic nutrition आपका humans में होता है. So humans में holozoic nutrition किसके through होता है आपका? I have told you right now. Yeah, alimentary canal. So alimentary canal is the part which is involved in taking the nutrition in human beings. ठीक है? So mainly alimentary canal, we can also say a digestive system. Okay, in human beings there is a digestive system which is involved to take the nutrition. Then thanks for giving me this opportunity, and thank you so much. I hope I will get this opportunity in your school.